Now for our featured story of the day, Bitcoin's path to $92,000. I'm going to detail out for you according to this crypto analyst. So let's break this baby down. An analyst has explained what the path Bitcoin might need to follow to surge to a new all-time high target of 92,000. And I want to start with the thread he shared. This is a trader by the name of Ali. It goes by the username Ali_charts. He says, has Bitcoin reached a market top? Let's dive in. Let's start from the beginning. Spikes in Bitcoin realized profits have historically coincided with market tops. Last month, when Bitcoin hit 73,880, realized profits skyrocketed to $3.5 billion. This could signal a potential Bitcoin market top, as outlined here in this chart. And he continues, still, I am waiting for another confirmation before calling a Bitcoin market top. For instance, a sustained close below the Bitcoin short-term hodler realized price, which currently hovers around 59,800, can confirm a potential Bitcoin market top. If the market top is confirmed, Bitcoin can drop toward 51,500 or even as low as 42,700. However, if Bitcoin can surge above 66,250 and reclaim this area as support, the bearish outlook will be invalidated. So that's the current line in the sand to invalidate the bearishness, according to the analysts. And by rising above 66,250, Bitcoin will gain the strength to push towards 69,150. And if this resistance barrier is breached, then Bitcoin can advance towards a new all-time high of $92,190. Let me know if you agree or disagree with this analyst. And hypothetically speaking, if we were to hit 92,000 here, by what month can you realistically see us attaining this price action? Please do let me know. And now we're going to dive a little deeper into this article. Ali is waiting for another confirmation before the top can be confirmed. In that scenario, the top gets validated. These are the targets the analyst has marked based on the on-chain data in this chart brought to you by Glassnode. Shout out Glassnode Analytics. This chart shows the Bitcoin UTXO, which is the realized price distribution data, which tells us how many coins were last bought at what price levels in particular. Generally, the cost basis is an important level for any investor, so they are likely to show some reaction when a retest of it happens. This reaction is the largest when many investors share this cost basis around the same level. And when this retest does happen, the hodlers may respond by buying more, as they can see the drop as a dip opportunity. BTFD, fam. And as such, large cost basis zones below the current price can prove to be the centers of support. Quoting the analyst again, if the market top is confirmed, Bitcoin could drop towards 51,500 or even as low as 42,700. However, if Bitcoin instead breaks that 66,250 level, which we're only about 4,000 away from the time of this live stream, that is a source of a major resistance right now, since these lost hodlers may be desperate to exit at their break even, then this bearish outlook could become invalidated. An on-chain price and model could provide some hints about what might happen when such a break occurs. Now, the market value to realized value, which is the MVRV price bands, is a model that, in short, tells us about where the different multipliers of the average cost basis of the entire market currently lie. So pay attention. The chart shows the market cost basis is currently sitting at 28,800. But historically, three multipliers of this metric have been relevant for the asset, and that's 0.8x, 2.4x, and 3.2x. The 0.8x level is where the bottom occurs, while the 3.2x line is a probable spot for tops to form. But the bull rallies and proper have occurred after a breach of the 2.4x level. So at present, the 2.4x level lies at $69,150. And by rising above 66,250, Bitcoin will gain the strength to push towards 69,150, the previous cycle all-time high, which we hit back in, November 10th of 2021. And if this resistance barrier is breached, Bitcoin can advance towards a new all-time high of $92,190. This all-time high target is based on the fact that the 3.2x level is equivalent to $92,190 at the moment. It remains to be seen whether the top is already in and Bitcoin would retest the lower levels or if more is left to this rally. So there you have it, my crypto fam. Let me know your thoughts on this 92,000 price prediction. And I was just looking at the price. We just eclipsed 62,000 as predicted here on the show. So make some noise for that. Pump the likes of Pump the Stream. We back in the green. $2,700 gain on the day. Not too shabby. Hopefully you took advantage of that dip. 56.5. I mean, we're already up like over 5,000. Not too shabby, family. And we just getting started. Now we need to send Bitcoin above 66.5 so we can invalidate the bearish scenario and we could hit and tap 92,000 already. Let's make it happen. Yeah, where do you foresee the Bitcoin price going this month of May? May is just kicking into, we're just getting started, only 3 days in. But I want to know your thoughts. February, unexpectedly, was one of the most bullish Februaries we have ever seen. In fact, for the first time in Bitcoin history, we had a $20,000 rise on the monthly candle. That just occurred a few months ago this February, family. So let me know, where do you feel the Bitcoin price action is likely to take us? And of course, now that we back at 60 G's.
60 G's, baby!
62 G's, baby. 150,000 by June, says Jennifer. Send it. I can definitely see six figures occurring this year in 2024 with all the bullish catalysts. Even though the world is chaotic and crazy, Bitcoin's going to do its own thing. It's on its own vector. It's on its own trajectory, and nothing and nobody can stop it. And that's what makes it so valuable. It's perfect money. 100%. Talk of corrections. I see the correction to be 72,000 up now, down. Send it. 69,420 and again and again and again and again and again and again. Hola JV, shout out to the Coos dog. I was chilling at the pool. Con mi chica, let's go. Welcome family, appreciate you. Welcome to the endless Bitcoin summer, if you know what I mean. Send it, McFootinator. Sometime in the middle of the summer, it'll head up into the 90s. Bring it. I can't wait. 30,000 appreciation. Let's go. Looking very disco, yo. Nipinator is channeling Satoshi right now. Nipinator indicator incoming. You already know, Jennifer. Bill Mahahara is right about the biddies, says Menendez. I don't know who that is, but yeah. Short squeeze. We going to pump. Live Q&A. Yes, now you guys can answer any questions you may have as we continue to pump it up. Bitcoin will do what she will do. Don't rush it. We know that it is going up, 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 up long term. Tell them there, Steve Kingston, and shout out to Big Perm. Where are we at it? Nipsey thinks it's going to 10,000. No, he's not stupid. Breakout and base above 75 G's. Word. Shout out Bill Graper. Welcome. Buy the dips, Anthony Zammit. Dips are for buying. Damn it. Let's freaking go, G-Bitty. I have a 1980 Z28. What is that? Pontiac Formula 350, 5.7 liter. That's what's up. Sell everything and buy the biddies. Bitcoin crisis is a-coming. All your biddies shall be taken away by the big companies. You need to store your Bitcoin now. Technology wave is a-coming. Tell them there, buy crypto. Sage advice. Pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. I know all about pumping it up.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Here we go. 70 G's incoming. Why am I late? Yeah, Ellen. Unacceptable. Why are you late? Nipsey is my financial advisor. Good. He is the greatest to ever exist. Nipsey is chasing the orange squirrels in his sleep. Facts. And every orange squirrel he captures is worth one biddy. So thank you, Nipsey, for doing God's work.